The power of feedback in English storytelling and jokes mastery. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on improving your English listening and speaking skills through storytelling and jokes. In today's video, we're going to explore the topic of monitoring progress with a special emphasis on using feedback from peers and instructors. Feedback is an important tool that helps you measure your progress, identify areas for improvement, and grow your skills. Let's dive in. The journey of learning a new language is filled with triumphs and challenges. However, it's often difficult to gauge how well you're doing on your own. This is where feedback comes into play. Feedback from peers and instructors provides an outside perspective on your progress, pointing out strengths you can build upon and areas you might need to work on. In the context of storytelling and jokes, feedback can help you understand how effectively you are using language, timing, humor, and cultural context. Peers can be an invaluable source of feedback. They are in a similar learning situation as you, so they understand the learning process and the difficulties you might be facing. Peer feedback can be informal, coming from study groups, conversations, or casual practice sessions. The important thing is to be open to their comments, even if they're suggestions for improvement. Remember, constructive criticism is a key to progress. Unlike peers, instructors have a deeper understanding and expertise in the English language. They can provide insights on grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and cultural nuances that peers might not be aware of. Instructor feedback should be taken seriously and incorporated into your learning strategy. Whether it's a casual comment about your pronunciation or a formal evaluation of your storytelling skills, instructor feedback is a rich source of guidance. Once you've received feedback, it's important to use it effectively. Consider feedback as a roadmap for improvement. Take time to understand the feedback, create a plan to address the suggested improvements, and incorporate these changes into your practice. Patience and persistence are key here. Improvement in language skills doesn't happen overnight. But consistent practice, informed by good feedback, can lead to significant progress over time. And that wraps up our video on the importance of feedback from peers and instructors in mastering English storytelling and jokes. Always remember, feedback isn't about highlighting your weaknesses but providing you a ladder to climb higher in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, stay open to feedback, and watch your English skills flourish. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!